Welcome to GK at Amosri. When is National Farmers Day celebrated in India? A. 5th January, B. 23rd December, C. 24th March, D. 16th May. B. 23rd December, and also India celebrates National Farmers Day every year on 23rd December, marking a birth anniversary of India's 5th Prime Minister Chaudhry Charan Singh. And also India's Farmers Day, which is also known as Kisan Divas, is a day to pay tribute to all farmers which form backbone of our country. Which country was tractor is invented? A. India, B. America, C. China, D. Japan. B. America. In 1892, John Froelich built a gasoline-powered tractor in Clayton County, Iowa, US. A van using single-cylinder gasoline engine was mounted on a Robinson engine chassis, which could be controlled and propelled by Froelich gearbox. What is the rank of India in vegetable production? A. Third, B. First, C. Second, D. Fourth. C. Second, and India is the leading exporter of vegetables, sending them to countries like UK, UAE, Oman and Bangladesh, and also a leading producer of other crops including bananas, papayas, lemons and okra. And major vegetable producing state in India are Uttar Pradesh, Madhya Pradesh, West Bengal, Bihar, Gujarat, Maharashtra and Odisha. Which animal has blue tongue? A. Monkey, B. Elephant, C. Bear, D. Giraffe. D. Giraffe. The front of a giraffe's trunk is dark blue, which protects it from sun's ultraviolet rays when eating from tree tops. Which is the shortest living organism? A. Mayfly, B. Ant, C. Cockroach, D. Mosquito. A. Mayfly, and or an aquatic insect known as having a shortest lifespan of any creature in the animal kingdom. They typically live in only for one day. There are over 3000 species of mayflies that live in aquatic habitats around the world. Where is Nagin Lake located in India? A. Kerala, B. Jammu and Kashmir, C. Assam, D. Tamil Nadu. B. Jammu and Kashmir. Additionally, Nagin Lake is mildly eutrophic lake located in Srinagar, Jammu and Kashmir, India. It's sometimes considered to be a part of Dal Lake and it is connected to via narrow strait. Which country has introduced world's first dual mode vehicle which can run on road as well as rail tracks? A. Russia, B. China, C. Canada, D. Japan. D. Japan has introduced a minibus look like world's first dual mode vehicle and the town of Kayo in December 2021. And the vehicle run on normal rubber tire on the road and steel wheels on rail tracks. The vehicle can carry up to 21 passengers and run up to speed 60 km per hour on rail track and go faster around 100 km per hour on public road. Which state is largest producer of coconut in India? A. Kerala, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Karnataka, D. West Bengal. C. Karnataka. Additionally, as of September 2024, Karnataka is the largest producer of coconut in India, followed by Tamil Nadu and Kerala, with 726 crore coconut produced. So, Karnataka is the top producer. In which country the residents live on the tree? A. India, B. Indonesia, C. America, D. Russia. B. Indonesia, as well as the Korowai people of Papua, Indonesia live in tree houses. Some indigenous people in tropical region also built a tree house to escape danger on the ground. Which state in India produced a maximum number of apples? A. Himachal Pradesh, B. Andhra Pradesh, C. Maharashtra, D. Jammu and Kashmir. B. Jammu and Kashmir. It is the largest producer of apples in India, and Jammu and Kashmir is also known as India's apple basket because of its ideal climate and other agroecological factors. The Baramulla district is the largest producer of apple in the region, followed by Anantnag and Shopian. And also, Himachal Pradesh is the second largest producer of apples in India. Bhangra is famous in which state of India? A. Gujarat, B. Rajasthan, C. Punjab, D. Maharashtra. C. Punjab. Besides, Bhangra is a famous folk dance from the state of Punjab in India, and also Bhangra is traditionally performed during the Baisakhi festival, which takes place during the harvest season. Which motif appears on 200 rupees note? A. Sun Temple, B. Taj Mahal, C. Sanchi Stupa, D. Red Fort. C. Sanchi Stupa is a Buddhist complex famous for great stupa on the hilltop of Sanchi town in Raisen district of the state of Madhya Pradesh. Which state in India is called the city of mango? A. Malda, B. Chennai, C. Ajmer, D. Agra. A. Malda in West Bengal is known as Mango City of India. It is famous for its large production of mangoes in a variety of types. In which country selling of raw milk is crime? A. Russia, B. Canada, C. China, D. Japan. B. Canada. Along this, selling of raw milk is illegal in Canada since 1991 because it can cause serious illness including life-threatening infections. And also, all milk sold in Canada must be pasteurized. Which flower takes 36 years to bloom? A. Hibiscus, B. Sunflower, C. Snake flower, D. Lily. C. Snake flower is a rare flower called Nagapushpa that blooms in the Himalayas only once in 36 years. Where did the world's first car race take place? A. Russia, B. France, C. England, D. Japan. B. France. And also, the first organized car race was 1894 Paris-Rouen reliability test, which took place in France. The first true race was in 1895 Paris-Bordeaux. Which animal gives both milk and eggs? A. Cuckoo, B. Sparrow, C. Platypus, D. Elephant. C. Platypus is only mammal that produces both milk and eggs. It seems to have duck's beak. It is an egg-laying animal that lives in a semi-aquatic environment. Which is the tallest minaret in India? A. Charminar, B. Fateh Buj, C. Qutb Minar, D. Red Fort. C. Qutb Minar in New Delhi, India is the tallest minaret in the country, standing at 72.5 meters tall, and also the tower is made up of red stones and marble. After how many years is Kumbh Mela held in India? A. 5 years, B. 8 years, C. 10 years, D. 12 years. D. 12 years. And Kumbh Mela is a major Hindu pilgrimage and festival. It is celebrated on 4 riverside pilgrimage sites: Prayagraj, Haridwar, Nasik and Ujjain. And the Maha Kumbh Mela is held in Prayagraj at a confluence of Ganga, Yamuna, Saraswati rivers. In 2025, Maha Kumbh Mela was held after 144 years. It was considered especially auspicious. Which is the country in which only 27 people live? A. Russia, B. Sweden, C. Sealand, D. Indonesia. C. Sealand. Additionally, Sealand is the world's smallest country with the population around 27 people. It is located in North Sea, 12 km east of Suffolk, England. And also, Sealand has its own flag, currency and government, but it does not recognize any established sovereign state. Answer for last video was Cambodia. And the world's largest religious structure in Angkor Wat is a temple in Cambodia. It was originally built on Hindu temple but later converted into Buddhist temple. It was built in 12th century by King Suryavarman II. And also, the temple complex covers 402 acres. The video is available on Nikon. How many oceans are there in the world? Friends, kindly drop your answer on comment box. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you and stay connected for more videos.